He used to wake me up on a Saturday morning, take me to work, buy me a nice hot chocolate, get me one of these pastries. Boom, I used to be happy, sitting there chilling.
Tell me, will you really think it's more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, what I'm gonna be doing is making you a maple pecan plates. One issue, you're supposed to put maple syrup in there, but I couldn't find any. They didn't have any. I don't know, it was a difficult situation, so you're gonna have to excuse that part. I'm gonna try and find honey if we've got any at home. I don't know, but yeah, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, move over to Instagram, follow me there as well, and let's begin. Okay guys, so in order to make our little pastry, what you want to do, these are some pecan nuts. These are lovely. I've got I don't know if this is going to be strong enough or not. I've got, what do you call it? The butter is getting melted. I'm going to save that for later. Let's just hope it works. Oh boy. I hope it's not going to fail me. Right, so since that went to fail, let me get this out. Put that in there. Get rid of that. Let me get rid of this out the way. You want to get something to smash this with. This is all I could find at the moment. So yeah, don't try and be lazy. Use a proper blender, unlike me. You know. Try and being lazy and all of that. This is what it gets you to do. It gets you to make you do an easy work, the long way, the hard way around, and it just longs everything out. So yeah, crush your pecan nuts. The pecans gotta be crushed. Right? Happy? Okay. Don't want to let that go to waste. Now, just a little tiny dash of that, okay, sugar, that. In goes the melted butter, okay. And then you just want to mix it. Let me see if I can realize that. This is supposed to be maple I'm using, but this is actually honey. So yeah, maple guys. Maple syrup is what you need, right? But I couldn't find any, so I'm using honey instead, which doesn't really go with the name of the title, maple and pecan plates. It defeats the whole object, right? But there you go. So here's what I'm about to do. Put that to a side. I've got this pastry, puff pastry, you buy just from your, regular supermarkets. Bring it out, and then you want to unfold it. Do it gently or not. So turn that to you. There you go. That's that. Right, and now you want to get your knife. Okay, get your knife, and about there. You want to leave that much space. Okay. Cut in diagonally, within line, short strips. Okay. Now I used to love these pastries. My dad used to get them for me as a kid. Like, he would go work and then, yeah, it brings back memories. This was great. Growing up, it was like Saturdays, I think he went to work and I used to go with him when I was off school and that. Let's do that. Okay, so yeah, he'll take me to work. He'll buy me one of these, yeah, about there, right? Oh boy, I'm gonna have to hold. Ooh, don't mess it up. Is this gonna do the job if I just press on it like that? Yeah, so as I was saying, he used to wake me up on a Saturday morning, take me to work, buy me a nice hot chocolate, get me one of these pastries. Boom, I used to be happy, sitting there chilling at work with him. Good old days. That was a long time ago. Right, let's just get these last bits. Let me try and get that. I think that should do, I think. Right, where are we at? So you want to get this, right? Can you guys see this clearly, by the way? Am I, yeah, are we good? Oh no, look at our spoon. You want to get that, pour it in the middle, okay? I think I was supposed to leave a bigger gap, but it was big here and then it shrinked. So yeah, take your time with it. Do it what you're supposed to do it properly, not like me. Yeah, get that going. Oh, which reminds me, I need to preheat the oven at 180. Let's leave that there. Whilst we do this, we can get that going. Yeah. Guys, this is good stuff, man. I'm just really, it's a shame about the maple syrup. I'm kind of disappointed in that part. But yeah. There you go. That's that. Just pattern it down a little bit, give it, you know, a little push, and then just fill up the rest of it because we don't want it to go to waste, you know. Right? Take your time, take it easy, no one's rushing you. Take your time, boy. Okay. And there you have it. So now, you want to do this one at a time. Don't worry about the top part. I can always either take it off or whatever. Yeah, one from this side, one from that side. We are getting there. We are getting there. Just gonna do one like that. One like that. Yeah, the end bit isn't going to look too well. Neither is the top bit, I guess. Yeah. Let me just take that bit out. Get rid of that. Okay. Now the good thing is, this paper it can go into the oven itself, so we're good. Don't need to really worry about that part. Bring your oven tray. Try not to break it. Place it in sideways because it doesn't fit any other way. Okay, now we put the oven at 180, give it 15-20 minutes. That's what it looks like before going in. Ooh, I almost forgot. These, the main bits, you want to cut them in half. I preferably want to do that anyway. Just place some on top, right? You could put some crushed ones all over it, but I'm not a fan of that. There's enough inside, so just get some and just put it on top, just like so, right? It's beautiful. This stuff tastes amazing. The pecan nuts, love them. Absolutely love them. Beautiful, right? There's that. Happy days. Put it in the oven 10-15 minutes, or keep an eye on it. Make sure once it gets a nice golden bit at the top, then we're good to take it out. So yeah. There we are. I'm gonna put this down because it's a bit hot. Yeah. Right. Here's what you want to do. Whilst, if we can't, okay. So what you want to do is take it out of this, and I think we can say, tell you what, let's just put it up first without breaking it, hopefully. Yeah. Alright, that's that. Let's get rid of this tray. Right. Now that we've got the space, what we're going to try and do, it's hot, is going to just chop off the end. Is it cut or not? Yeah, okay, beautiful. And then it's a nice little okay. Ideally, I would like it a bit more gold in the middle, but I think if I left it there, it would just turn out to burn. So I didn't really want to risk that. As you can see, the pecans have gone quite dark. So yeah, that was that was a sign saying it's enough. It's had enough. There you are. Lovely. Simply lovely. Now, get yourself a plate. Right. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. I don't want to tip it too much, but yeah, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. There's that. Ooh. Break. There's that. They're not cut into the same shape or size that you would normally get them in the shops, clearly. But there you are. So yeah, I'm just going to leave that there. Get rid of that. Yeah. Now, as a personal preference, because the top bit is a bit dry, and again, if we had maple syrup, never mind. All I'm going to do is just drizzle some honey, okay, on top to give it that little bit of extra sweetness. Come on, don't make me dig in for some more. I don't want to overspin it, like, yeah, just something like that, you know. Just give it a little, yeah, a little bit more onto that one. Come on, son, ain't got all day for ya. Right, job done. You can get rid of that. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it, aka maple pecan plaits. Bon appetit, share, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come up